change a thing now, there was never trust.
What are you looking for Carlos for? Swamp Ass? You want to challenge him?
I mean, I think we got pretty similar bikes. I think it just comes down to skill after that.
Oh, dang! He's riding the Honda. He's riding the Honda. Well, so what's different? I mean,
exhaust and radiator will be like,
oh, that's the only thing.
Same
oh, look,
tires.
it's gonna sink.
Same
Oh,
tires
actually, hey, these shocks are better and everything.
They're better than Carlos.
Yeah, because his
I
went.
sat on Carlos's, that fucker was a low rider.
I know. That's why I was like waiting for it to sink.
Hey, but this is
Oh, you got a new Rubicon.
No, this is only a 15.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, what is Carlos's?
I don't know.
16.
Probably.
I'm sorry.
Six.
That's
Oh,
the 16.
So,
I don't have power steering either.
so he's trying to say, Swamp Ass, that
I'm
he's
not
gonna
trying
come
to
out the
say
hole,
that. Oh, look.
even with more arm
better
muscle.
equipped. Come on.
Look at that. Let's see again. One more time. Let's see. Let's see.
You have to tell him he's better equipped. You have to come up to it. Look.
Oh.
He's got
He doesn't
look a Yeti thing, so
Hey,
it won't
so
get wet.
he doesn't have the little the canister in the front. He's got the Yeti container.
Yes. Keep stuff dry.
Shit.
I took my light out. Sorry.
No. It's like
He's like, I'm sorry.
I'm like, why am I wet on the side?
No, I took my light out because, it doesn't do anything behind that radiator.
Yeah,
so
it doesn't.
I got that light bar up there. I
Yeah.
was like, well, I need to keep my stuff dry, and that worked out perfect. So.
See? He's trying to challenge you. He says that you've got the old shit, and he's got the Yeti canister. You've got the canister, and he's got the Yeti container. That he's challenging Swamp Ass. He says we got the same bike. It all comes down to skill. I want to see it. I want to see it. Hey, he's coming down. Remember that. He's coming down.
We're riding
He'll come down.
Extreme December 1st.
He's coming down for the
My
weekend.
birthday's December 3rd. So
My birthday is December 1st. That's why he's coming to Extreme.
Hey, hey, Swamp Ass would go through here. I'm
Yeah,
just
really?
saying. So you got to challenge it.
There you go. There you go.
You show him. Hey, now give a good smile over here. Where's your friend? There it is. Here comes the Honda.
Here comes Carlos Jr.
Here comes Swamp Ass. He's challenging you. He's challenging you, okay?
Swamp ass Jr. right here.